Hey you guys, and thank you for tuning into another video. So today we're doing one of my favorite types of videos, and that is an unboxing video with a wholesale supplier. So if you're new to my channel typically focuses around the concept of a business and running a business, more specifically a boutique business. But the things I enjoy doing is working with up and coming wholesale vendors or actual current wholesale vendors that are trying to reach a audience, you guys, and then you guys that are trying to get outside of the typical fashion go in the LA showroom, trying to find other suppliers to get things in which you need for your online business. So today that's what we're gonna do. I've been working with a company called the company's name is Aphrodite. I'll put it up here for you guys. They are a wholesale company based out in China. So I've been communicating back with some of the girls over there, and they're super nice, and they've sent over some products for us, and we're gonna unbox them. I've been waiting to unbox this because I want to unbox it on camera for you guys so you get the actual real life reaction in regards to the items. I haven't looked at them. I don't know what they look like. I've seen pictures. That's the only thing I've gone by, and again, I've been talking to the girls via WhatsApp. So the reason I enjoy doing these videos is because a lot of you guys, I've made other videos in which I say, hey, you can go on to LA showroom, you can go on to Fashion Go and find a lot of these vendors that are based here in the US, and you're able to order from them. Now a lot of you say, hey, I don't have my wholesale license, I don't have the funds to get a wholesale license, I don't know how to get a wholesale license, and sometimes that may be considered as a hindrance to you in starting your business. So people always ask, does this supplier require a wholesale license? Does this supplier require a wholesale license? So I definitely wanted to come and bring some vendors that do not require a wholesale license. This vendor does not require a wholesale license. Again, they are based in China, so you can buy from them directly. But yes, you can buy from them without having to have a wholesale license. I'm gonna go and again show you guys some of the things in which they have sent over so you can see the quality and see what they have to offer to see if this may be beneficial to you and your online boutique. So again, the name of the company is called Aphrodite Wholesale, or Aphrodite, that's the name of the company. They are again based in China. They specify the company is committed to wholesale and drop shipping, so that is another avenue. If you're looking to do drop shipping, they do offer that as well. They mainly engage in women's clothing, shoes, and packages. I'm not sure what that means, but they do women's clothing and shoes. Let's see here. Pretty much they're there to help customers who do not have a business, who want to start a business, and then let customers who already have a business develop their business even the better. So they're there to help you better gain a better online boutique, again, buying direct from them opposed to going through somebody else who's just going to mark up the prices to make you have to have a higher price on your stuff, so, or you know, shorten your profit gains. But nevertheless, they do have a website. I'm going to put the links down below for you guys. They have a really dope Facebook group. It has quite a few members on there. They go on there and they post like, hey, these are the new things that we have. They interact really well with the customers. There's other customers on there. They'll tell you about their experience and the items that they've ordered. So that Facebook group, I'll put the link down below. I joined it as well, and again, it's really dope. And you can see the girls on there too, because they go on there and they do like little videos and stuff. So it's really cute to be able to have a better connection with the supplier. So again, I'll put that down below. But the part you all came here for, we are going to unbox what they sent over. I'm super excited. So these are some items from their fall and winter collection. I guess the startup of their fall and winter collections. So this is what they sent over to me. It came pretty fast. It's full of stuff in here, and we are going to open it up. And yes, I'm going to be trying it on in this video, so you guys will be able to see as well. So I got my scissors. I'm being safe this time because in my last video you guys were like, oh my gosh, that knife cutting open that box. So I got scissors this time, so you guys wouldn't be so concerned. So I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, it is stuffed. So this is how the items came. They're all individually packed. Again, it is stuffed. They do some good packaging, because I need to learn how to pack pieces like this for when I ship my items. I suck at packing my items because I'd be like, oh, it won't fit, I gotta get a bigger bag. Nah, I need to do like this and stuff that puppy. So I'm just gonna start pulling. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So this is how the first item came. So this is what it looks like. If I can find the picture of what the picture online looks like, I'll put it in here. If not, I didn't find the picture. But this is the first item. Wow. So coming out the bag, it is really good. It's, you know, it's a nice quality. This is the The material is nice. It's not that thin, flimsy material. It's actually a really nice material, so I like that. I ordered a medium and everything because I wanted to see how sizing would compare. Because I wear a medium here in the States, and so I want to see if I order a medium over there, is it the same medium over here, so that way I know if I were to order for my own business, would it be comparable, like should I get it for my customer. So this is a 2-piece set here. So this is what the top looks like, and like I said, it's a really nice material. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on that, but it's a really nice, it's super stretchy material. Has the elastic on the inside. This would be easy. Also, I think they do put tags in there. I don't know, you have to probably reach out, but this would be really nice because you could throw your own tag in there for your business. So this is a 2-piece set. So that's the top, and then oh, these are the bottoms. So then these are the bottoms. This is what it looks like that. So I am gonna try it on for you guys. So it is a medium. Really nice. I really like this, so I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Okay, so this is what the outfit looks like. I put it on. Sorry, I'm kind of like in my room. I'm covering up because it's a little see-through. So it's actually really good material. It's not my personal style, but for those whose personal style it is, it's actually really cute. It's very nice material. It's not too thin, but it's not super thick either. It's long enough. Yeah, super cute. Has a little tie right here, has a little ruching in the top right here, so definitely super cute. Okay, so that was the first outfit. I'm actually really surprised that I actually really like this outfit. Like I said, the material is really nice. It's super soft against my skin. It's actually really good quality compared to some other vendors in which I've tried out and I wasn't pleased with. So yeah, thumbs up in regards to what it was shown to me in a picture versus what I got. So we're gonna keep moving and keep pulling out what else is in this bag. So the next thing, oh, they sent this little necklace. So there's some jewelry in here as well. So this is what it looks like. So it's a little heart necklace package like this. So some cute little accessories that you can throw in if you sell these kind of things online. So this is really, I'm trying to get close up. There we go. This is really cute. How it would look. Again, out of my personal aesthetic, but it is super cute. And that's what it looks like. So we're gonna wear that. Keep it moving with the next thing. So this is another item. I got it in a size medium. I don't even remember what this is. It's this purple color. I try to get stuff that I wouldn't typically wear because I'm not a big color person, but I want to get stuff to show variety. Oh, this is a dress. Okay, so this dress is really cute in the photo. Again, this is completely out of my aesthetic. I'm gonna try it on for you guys, but it's completely out of my personal aesthetic, but it's super cute. So I'm gonna put the picture up of what it's supposed to look like. And then this is the dress here. It's a really pretty purple color, kind of like that slingy material. It's not cheap feeling, but it's not heavy, but it's not cheap, but it's that slingy, very stretchy, I will say, very stretchy material. How it looks is that it has a cutout in the back here, and like the back is completely cut out and you tie it. So again, I'm gonna try this on for you. I think it's gonna be a little bit on the see-through side, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So okay, so this is what the dress looks like. Again, it's out of my personal aesthetic. It is super see-through, hence why my hands are almost covering my boobies, but it is a super cute dress. Okay, so as you guys can see, that dress is super cute. It's a little bit on the revealing side, but for some that is not a problem. And quite honest, a lot of things, even when I buy on like Fashion Go and stuff like that, they're actually quite revealing, and I'm like, is this the new trend? Like, that's my trend. I can't get on there. I can't be having my nipples out and stuff like that. That's just it don't go for me. So moving right along, we're gonna go to the next thing. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a little purse in here. So here's a little purse. I thought, okay, yes, I do remember the little purse. It's like a little clutch little purse with like a money sign on it. It kind of reminds me of the YSL logo kind of looking thing, but it's like a money sign on there. So I just want to see what this looked like. Okay, this is cute. It's a cute little clutch thing here, again with the little money sign on it. It's a nice feeling material, very lightweight. Does have a chain, I'm assuming you can throw on with it, or you can swap them out, or it comes with this little blue chain. So it's like a little handbag you can take around with you. It's something cute and dainty that you could pick up, or you can throw on the chain with it. So yeah, super cute. That's that. They had a bunch of different colors, and you can check it out down below too. They had a lot of cute little handbags and stuff. So the next thing, I think I have 2 more pieces in here. I know one of these is like a really long dress. I'm trying to find out which is which, because that's gonna take me a minute to put on. Okay, so we'll go with this next. So this is another piece. Again, I think there are a lot of bright colors. I didn't even realize how many bright colors I picked out. But this is a set, I believe, like a little jogger set. Definitely out of my color zone, but this is what it looks like. It's a pink and purple set here. This is really cute. Again, I was trying to get stuff that was like outside of my, something I would normally wear. So this is the top piece here, and then this is the bottoms. Nice material again. See the inside, it's not lined. I am going to try these on and see what it looks like, because this is kind of cute. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so this is probably my favorite piece. Excuse me, I don't have a bra on again, but you guys can see what it looks like. It fits really well. That's what it looks like from the back. I really like this. I love this jacket. It's super cute and what it made very well. I really like this outfit. It is super cute. I love the jacket. I love this like high collar, like kind of like a jersey knit on here. It's well made. Sleeves are nice and long, which I always check for. It fits really well. And one thing I will say I like so far about this company is that all these again are size mediums and they fit me. So sometimes, you know, when you order from overseas, you have that problem of saying you want a medium and it comes and it's like a extra small and you're like, I can't wear this, it's too small. These mediums are actually mediums, and I'm a solid medium, so I'm very well pleased with the overall sizing of the items. Now this is an evening gown type of material or type of item. It's this black dress. This is what it looks like. I'll show you guys a picture because it's like super long and it has like a slit and it's hard to show. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put a picture up here to show you guys what it's supposed to look like, and of course I'm gonna go try it on and we're gonna see what it actually looks like. So okay, so this is the last piece of the black dress. So it's kind of like a very formal dress. It has a nice cut on it. It has a little bit of ruching here. It is very long. It's really nice. So it's a really nice material, very stretchy. It's not super thin. It doesn't feel cheap. Very nice material. It does have a slit that you guys can't see because you can't get to it, but overall it is definitely a very nice formal dress. So overall I am very pleased with the items in which I have. All these items are really nice quality material items for being an overseas supplier. It's very difficult to find overseas suppliers. I know it is. I've tried a few myself. This one I will say is a very good option for you. The girls who work there are super nice. If you have any questions, I am going to put all the information down below for you. You can get in touch with them via WhatsApp. They're very good at communicating via WhatsApp and on Facebook, again, which will be linked down below. But if you are looking for a supplier, again, in which you're able to utilize without having to have a wholesale license, looking for a China-based wholesale supplier is always a good option. Of course, you'll have to find a good one. I definitely recommend Aphrodite. Checking them out, reaching out to them, communicating with them, and definitely seeing if this is something that will work for you. Again, I'm very well pleased with the items. Sizing wise was great. The material on the items is actually really great material. It's not that cheap feeling material that sometimes we get caught up in buying. But yes, the company is a great company to look into. I do have some more suppliers in which I will be reviewing on my channel, so definitely stay tuned because I'm here. I want to help you guys, and I'm also helping myself because I'm also looking for my own suppliers for my business as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to let me know down below, and until next time, I'll see you guys then. Bye.